here it is. This is the Clarity, and we're gonna wash it today. It's not perfect right now. You can see the paint has got some bubbles and watermarks and bugs. We're gonna clean her up. Wheels aren't very clean either. They're not shining too well. There's a bunch of mud on the mirror. And yeah, watermarks all over. Look at that. Tons of watermarks there. So we're gonna wash the Clarity today and see how it turns out. Okay, so here we go. First thing I'm gonna admit is that I don't do a hose outside of my own house. So we gotta go to the car wash, and 9 out of 10 YouTube videos about washing your car will tell you, don't go to the car wash. I'm here to tell you that it doesn't matter. You can still go to the car wash and do a just fine job of taking care of your vehicle. And off we go. All right, so I'm going to show you all the products that you need to do the whole wash. This isn't going to be cheap, guys. When you're doing this clay bar thing, you're going to have to do a lot of work. It's not going to happen very often because you're going to do your clay bar, and then you're going to do your wax, and then you're going to use soap that doesn't strip the wax, so your shine should last a while. But this process probably cost you about $100. Just as an upfront cost, be ready to spend $100. I know that's the cost of a detailing, but you're going to end up with a lot longer lasting shine, because what incentive does a detailer have to give you a long lasting shine? They just want you to have a shine right now. So here we are at my favorite car wash. And let's pull into the biggest bay they've got, which is this one. It looks like it's pretty clean too. We're going to start the fun. Stay tuned. Okay, so I'm going to show you some of what we got here. This is microfiber towels. It's a 50 pack, and they got light and dark ones. We'll need both of those. I just got this. That's your clay kit, and those are available pretty much anywhere. I chose to get the Turtle Wax Carnauba. That's that. We're also going to be using this guy, Rain-X Spot Free. Reason why is because it says no drying needed, deep cleaning, and then does not strip wax, safe for all finishes. This stuff's really good. I recommend it heavily. We've also got a bucket. Of course, we only need one bucket. You don't have to go crazy. You don't need 8 buckets. You really don't. And then we got 4 microfiber towels and a really, really old squeegee that I love. I love this squeegee. Any squeegee will work. Really helpful on glass. We'll do that in a second. So, time to wash the car. We're going to fill this bucket up with the sprayer on rinse. And we're going to put 4 microfiber towels down in there, along with some of our car wash here. This is our Spot Free, and then that much is fine. The dirtier, the more you want. This car is not super dirty, it's just not physically appealing, and we'll fix that. So I'm going to fill up the bucket, and we're going to go to town. I'm leaving the camera right there for you. car is wet. Now we're going to take a microfiber towel and we're going to fold it. Fold once, fold twice. That makes several surfaces. Use them one at a time and you keep flipping them. Once you've used all the surfaces with this microfiber towel, you're about to throw it away. So you need to do a wheel with it so you don't waste this towel. Garbage. Now you go get another one. Toast. Do another wheel. Garbage. Grab another one. Time for a wheel. Last wheel. And garbage. Time to rinse. Set to rinse. Time to clay bar. This will be to apply the soapy water to. Here's a clay bar. Let's do it. It's tricky stuff. All right, clay bar is done. Clay bar is not ruined, but got some significant pieces off of there, and we're ready to wipe. And now it's time to dry it off. Okay, we switched cameras because the other one died. Now it's time to dry it off. We need microfiber towels and a squeegee. Microfiber towels and a squeegee for the window. Nothing gets glass cleaner than a squeegee. The squeegee's done. Time to just dry it off. Same theory with the washing on the microfibers, you gotta fold them. Garbage. So here's a good test. I've used every side of this towel. If you look at it, there's not a lot of dirt there, which means the drying process I've done okay. I'm sure I missed spots. I'm not a professional, I'm just a guy who owns a Clarity, trying to get it as clean as I can. Time for another towel. Oh, and another note. This towel didn't fall down. These towels fell on the ground. I haven't used them yet, but they're garbage. Can't let a towel fall on the ground, so I'll take a waste of 2 towels to keep you from losing scratches on your car. Now we got to dry out the door jambs. Garbage. She's looking pretty close. Okay, here we go. Time to wax the car. 1 microfiber for off and mistakes, 1 for on. Maybe that's 2 for on. 1 for on, 1 extra. Here we go. Let's take it off. One surface done. Almost done. Waiting for this last corner to be able to be removed. It's not a perfect job. Paste wax is tough, but you're looking at a shine for a long time. Let's get this thing finished up. wheels and tires at home. Okay, we're gonna learn how to do the wheels. So this is what I use. You can use whatever you want, but powerful tire wet spray is what I found is the best for successfully making them dark and look really good. You want to spray as much as you can on there, kind of saturate it in. Don't spray it on the wheel, because on the tire, then it gets on your wheels and your brakes, and you don't want any of that. And then give it a rub down. Make sure you wear gloves too. This stuff's nasty. Gets stuck in your fingers and makes it feel weird. And just repeat it until they're as dark and nice as you want. If you haven't done this before or haven't done it in a while, it may take several applications. I would say probably 3. Boy, it works. I'll go hit the other tires. I'll see you in a minute. So here she is. This is the finished product Honda Clarity. As far as clean, I know she ain't perfect, but definitely helped out a lot. There you have it. Not too bad.